Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A pre-owned 2019 Volkswagen Atlas. This Volkswagen is powered by front-wheel drive, 3.6-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 62,815 miles. Discover exceptional value with our gently used 2019 Volkswagen Atlas. Packed with comfort, style, and advanced features, this reliable SUV offers a thrilling ride that lasts. Make it yours today and experience the difference. This pre-owned Atlas comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated rear seats, push-button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, third row seating, seat position memory. To keep you entertained, this Volkswagen Atlas is equipped with Bluetooth, navigation, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, pedestrian automatic emergency braking, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, adaptive headlights, crash imminent braking, CIB, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, active safety system, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.